In this episode, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Interested in pen spinning on a journey from Dublin to Galway. That's about a 2.5 hour bus ride. When I got onto the bus, I realised that my phone only had 5% battery left. Just so happens I had a pencil inside my jacket pocket. I quickly googled pen tricks because I'd always been interested in the way that drummers spin their drumming sticks. I found a technique called the thumb around, so I spent the remainder of the journey practicing this thumb around until I could do this. When I started off, I could only spin these yellow pencils because that's what I started practicing with, but over the years I developed the ability to spin pretty much any form of stationery and pretty much any pen-like object. As it turns out, the thumb around is one of 4 fundamentals when it comes to pen spinning. The other ones are called the charge, the sonic, and the finger pass. Today I'm going to try and learn the charge. I'm going to set a timer and see how long it takes me to learn. It took about 15 minutes, but I think I've got the first rotation down. What I think I'm going to do is give myself targets of trying to get, so I can do 1 rotation. So I'm going to try and build up to 2 clean rotations, then build it up to 3, then 4, and then 5, and so on, and hopefully I should get better as time goes on. So I think I got 2 repetitions relatively down. I think I'm going to have to try and add the 3rd repetition now, so I'll do a bit of practice on that and see how it goes. So I spent an hour yesterday trying to learn how to do the charge. I got on pretty well, so I'm going to spend some more time today. Hopefully I'll get it now with this next practice session. So I put in about an hour and a half of pretty dedicated practice to learning the charge. I think I pretty much have it down now, like maybe 85–90%. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? How much further do I have to go to really perfect the charge? But here's where I'm at now, and let me know what you think.
Locked on the town. She's been spending all my money on drinking my hoodies, racked with the smell. Just look it up, brother said, ooh, he's that type of clown. Spunk buzz knuckles, drives her around in a van or belt buckles, and he take a swing, but I'm on the cover saying, it's alright.